Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the shipping on an order on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you sold the card and it was weighed at 1 ounce, but you actually went ahead and gave the buyer 3 cards, so it's actually 3 ounces. How do you actually go ahead and change the shipping? So the first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is you have to do it on the Whatnot browser on your laptop or computer. Log in, click on the upper right hand corner and then click on orders. Now, once you click on orders, find the shipping order which you want to go ahead and adjust. So we're actually going to go ahead and adjust this order here. Then click on view shipment on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and find that order again. So this is the order. So we're going to click on it and then we're actually going to go ahead and exit this right-hand window. You're going to click on the pencil icon next to that same order. Click on next. And then this is where you could actually adjust the item weight. So you can see here, if we change it to, let's say it's actually 7 ounces, you're going to see that there's a label adjustment cost. Click on save changes and you could already go ahead and pay for the label. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the shipping on an order on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.